Yep, it's not budging. Seismic jacks. This thing was built in 2002 and has extra jacking around. It's good to go, bomb-proof. California, we plan ahead. And let that light in. You have 6 oversized windows in here, letting tons of light in, all the way flowing right into the kitchen with the vault. And you can marvel at the marble throughout. There's more marbling in here than ribeye steak, and tons of vault to boot. In this backyard, along with the front yard, it's more low maintenance than a cairn. You got artificial turf, river rock, nice privacy lattice around, and a pergola shade where you can look cool and be cool. Let's start with the magic, or at least the coffee happens. You've got custom maple cabinetry that actually closes when you tell it to, whirlpool appliances that behave better than some guests, and a pantry so big, so spacious. Bonus hydration points for the double osmosis purifier, and yes, it does make the water taste a little more virtuous. Oversized French windows let in the light and your inner Julia child. Matte black fixtures give the bathrooms that I've got my life together energy. New Kohler toilets, because you deserve a throne worthy of you. You got a master that has its own split unit, so it's great if you like it Arctic while your partner prefers the Sahara. Master bath has dual vanities and dual mirrors, perfect for couples or just someone with multiple personalities. For the bedrooms, you got vaulted ceilings here too, so you can dream big. New fans, custom closets, motion sensing hall lights, so you're never that person stumbling into a wall at 2 a.m. You got fairly upgraded outdoor lighting, Mexican cobble river rock, newer fencing, EV charging access, and Trex decking. And last but not least, 10 sun-run solar panels, perfect for keeping those utilities very reasonable.